Hey guys, I'm gonna show you guys some, what you call it, some 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 Christmas decoration that I'm gonna put on my tree. We don't have a big tree, but I did get some new stuff, and I have some stuff from last year. So I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I got and where I got them from. So in the meantime, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe, okay? You remember to do that? Sure. Yeah, but I always have an intro. Anyway, we have a bag right here from excuse, I was going to my bed and stuff, so that's why I'm looking like this. But this bag is from Joann's fabric, and pretty though. Guys, look at these. They are so pretty.
So those go on the tree?
Yeah, fashion over style. You're a bogus. I'm not you're a bogus. Anyway, I'm gonna put these. I don't know if you guys can see it good, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and they were $9.99 a piece. I think I get discount on these stuff, to be honest, but the price is $9.99. I can't remember how much discount I got. So it was 10, 20, 30, a $40 this. But I'll probably pay less than $20, to be honest. So these, I think I'm gonna put this at the top of my tree. I'm not gonna work around this one straighten. I'm not gonna work with a star. What?
That is a whole Chick-fil-A meal for the family.
You hear me in my video? But that is a whole Chick-fil-A meal for the family. My sinus is acting up. So I think I'm gonna put these on top of my tree this year. No star, no angel, no none of that. So that's the first thing I have there. These balls are from, these balls are from At Home. There's 4 big balls, gold, different styles. $5.99 each. No, $5.99 for this. I'm sorry.
No price on it.
What? Yeah, they just saggy. They ain't got no price, they just saggy. This is another At Home bag. I'm pretty sure these stuff are from At Home. Yeah. So we have silver and gold bells. I'm doing silver and gold. These were $3.99 a piece. Just some bells, ornaments we call them. I thought these were beautiful. These were $2.99 a piece. I think I have one. Only about 2, I think. Yeah. Oh, I have another bell. So we have 2 gold and 1 silver bell. And this is another, this is $1.99. Some Jingle Bells something. I like these. So I got like 3 of those. 3 of these. Yeah, I have 3 of these, and they were $2.99 a piece. So I have 3 of these. These are beautiful. They look like some earrings. Carter, get up. This is also beautiful. It's gold, glittery. This was $3.99. Oh, I have another earring. Let's call it the earring. So we have 4 of them. And this, I don't know, they're just ornaments. I don't know what's, the design or whatever, but this one was also $3.99. I think this is an angel back, right? People, this one was 99 cents, and these are all from At Home. This is like a Christmas tree. Hear me? Did y'all hear that? No, you didn't hear it because he's gonna edit it. This is a Christmas tree. 0.90. Hear me now? 0.99 cents. But in reality, it says 0.99. Look. So yeah, I'm not even lying.
Right. Actually, you're right.
So don't even laugh. Then we have an angel and a cross. They were $0.99 also. 99 cents. So that's an angel, that's a cross. Those stuff are from At Home. I do have some more stuff from At Home. Let me just show you guys everything from At Home. Babe, something dropped. Can you take it up from my... That one around there. These are some medium-sized balls. That. And this one is 16 balls. And they're from At Home also. $3.99. This was cheap.
Balls are cheap?
Yeah, they're free and saggy. This is $8.99. We have different size balls and some other ornaments inside. These ribbons, I got these from Amazon. We're gonna make some style with the ribbons. So these were gold and silver ribbons. These are smaller ribbons. These are just hanging stuff. Janice gave me these. I did not purchase these. Oh well.
Let me see what I need. Like, can you just scrap how many on the camera?
I don't know where she got these. Let me see. I think maybe, I don't know where she got these. Abby Labby. It said the Christmas shop. So these are cute. These are the hooks to hang the stuff on. I do have a green one, so I hope we have enough. But Janice gave me those. I got these from Amazon. This is some silver, you know, just some decorative pieces. And these are gold. So I got those from Amazon. I just put them in the same bag. We have another one from At Home. Some balls, different style, and these were also $3.99. So we're going strong with these balls. We have a lot of balls. These are some other ornaments. What do you call these? I don't know what's it called. You guys know. Comment in the comment section. But these are $4.99, and we have 6 pieces of silver. Like I say, I'm mixing silver and gold on my tree. My tree do spin. It's a 3-year-old tree, but that's fine. It do spin and it lights up, okay? I wanted to buy the fall spray snow. I did make a purchase today on Michael's, and they canceled it saying they don't have no more in store. I was there hunting for it. Christian, it was only $3.
Don't care.
These are angel. I think these are angels. These are $6.99, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces At Home also. And this is my ribbon. I do got this ribbon from Amazon. I don't remember the price of this ribbon. I think it was maybe $16, $13. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna put this on the tree. We're gonna wrap the ribbon on the tree. I wanted something more see-through, but we have to work with what we have. Oh my God, look at these big balls. Look at these. They're so big and pretty. I'm not sure if you guys can see good, but these balls are pretty. $5.99. I do have 2 of them. I asked Christian to pass them. So we have 2 of these. They are so beautiful. And we have another bag. That's gonna stress me out. This bag is also from Joann's Fabric. As you guys can see, these were some ornaments. I think you buy 1 and get 2 free, so we only pay the price of 1. So I did pick up about 6 of these, you know, just some stuff to stick in the tree, different and cute, I guess. So let's see. Here's how that drop on my pier. So we have a couple of these. People, when my house done, it won't vacuum out. Yeah, these are from Joann's Fabric. Oh, I did get some more ribbons from Joann's Fabric. The girl that cashed me, she was so nice. She gave me a little bit more discount. Yeah. So we get we get all 3. These were not on sale, but she said, you know what, don't worry about it. So, you know, there's nice people out there. She see that it was Christmas, I'm pregnant, and I got 3 kids behind me. So whatever. These are also beautiful. We have rose gold and gold. So I bought one and get two free. Buy one, get two free. So it's $2.99. So basically the three of these is $2.99. $2.99. You know, cheap. So we're gonna stick these in the tree. Shut up. Talking about in the oven. Oh, I bought something for the kids. They didn't see it. This is for them. I don't know what it is, but every time I go out, I try to get them something. And then we have some more of this. This was a single one. I think it goes with this. Yeah. This, yeah. So it's $1.99 and I get all these three. Then right here I have some pear. Babes, then I take up a pear for me. So I pay, it's $1.99. So basically I got three for $1.99 because you buy one you get two free. So I do have 6 of them. I do have 2 silver and 4 gold. Yeah, because we have stuff to do. I'm gonna show you guys. This is my she's a little tacky, but hey, this is my angel that I've been using for the past 2 years. But every time I stick her in the tree, because the tree rotates, she always be leaning up. So we're not using this. These are some stuff from last year. So this is something that you plug in because she do light up. I do have some cute stuff and they were all from Walmart. Look at this. This is cute. All of these were from Walmart. I was so surprised. You know, this is another clip-on stuff. And these are stuff I have for like 3 years. I want to show you guys some more. This is a gold. This is like a present you clip onto the tree. And then we have a lot of ball. I have this big bell. It was so cheap, but I did hang it on the tree. It was like some cents, 79 cents or something. So I said, you know what?
That?
A bell.
Oh, I thought you said ball.
It's a big ball. So yeah. So guys, oh, what?
Those weird things.
What weird thing?
Or wire, whatever it is.
Why the stuff them a drop and then no say me can't bend? Or me I do become more you take them off. You think so? Alright guys, I have another angel right here. I'll show you the tree when it's done. So make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. It's just a mini haul showing you guys what I got. You know, but you see the tree. Move out on my tree with you. And the tree's right there. It's not the biggest, but it's gonna be beautiful. It's a 7 feet tree. So, but it's gonna be pretty when I'm done with it, because the girl can do a little bit of decorating. I didn't want no red and no green and those stuff. That's played out. That's gold Jamaica days. When we're there at Jamaica, you know, we always use that. But now, you know, it's a little bit more modern. A lot of persons are using gold and the silvers and the blush pink and those stuff. So I say, hey, why not use the same tree and be a little bit different? So that's what I did. Okay? But stay tuned, guys. I love you guys. Peace out.